So we have a physics question that says a motorist travels 120 km at 80 km per hour and 140 km at 100 km per hour. Find the average speed. When they say speed is a change of distance with time. Now you need to understand that this here, it is the distance. Even this is a distance. This is a speed. This is also the speed. Now, I know the common mistake which many people will make is just to add this one plus this one, then they get the answer. That is very wrong. Why so? Because we can't add the two. We don't know the rate at which each travel or each trip was made. So if you want to answer, what you do is this one first. So the formula for speed, you say S is equal to distance over what? Over time. Now, are we given the distance? Yes, we are given the distance. So we're given 120. So it's supposed to be 120 plus what? Plus 140 there, like this. So these are the two distances which are given. This one and this one. These are the two. Now, how about the time? Are we given the time there? No. So we're supposed to solve the time for each trip. For this quantity, for the time, and again for this one for the time. So if you want to find the time, what you do, the formula for time, in this case, for the first quantity, you say time is equal to what? To distance over what? Speed. So what is the distance here? 120. So you put 120 over. What is the speed here? 80. Like this. So you cancel. So 8 into this one is going to give me 1.5. So this is the time there. You have seen 9. Yes. Now, this was the time for this trip. How about for this one? Again, you do the same. You say time is equal to distance over speed. Okay? What is the distance there? This one, 140. How about the speed? It is 100, like this. So you cancel. So now 10 into this one, 1.4. Now we are given 1.4, which is the time for the second trip, and 1.5, which is also the time for the first trip. Now you need to add this number plus this one. So it's supposed to be 1.5 plus 1.4, which will give me 2.9. So this was the total time taken in this trip. So this time you put here now, it will be like this. 2.9 like this. So now once you add the two, what will be the answer? It will be 260 over what? Over 2.9. So once you divide this number into this one, you're going to get 89.66, which is what? Kilometers per hour.